In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in an image using Canva. Whether you're preparing a social media post, a presentation, or just a fun personal project, Canva is a go-to tool for quick and efficient design work. No design experience? No problem. Just sit back and follow along as we transform a simple image with a few clicks. To get started, the first thing we need to do is open Canva. If you haven't already signed up, now is a great time to create an account. Once logged in, you can either start fresh or continue working on an existing project if you have one. For those of you just getting started, click on the Create a Design button on the top right of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select a format that best suits your needs, from Instagram posts to presentations. Next, you'll want to select the image you plan to edit. Canva provides a huge library of stock images if you're looking for something brand new, or you can upload your own image by selecting the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Once you've chosen your image, simply click on it and it will appear on your workspace. Now let's talk about the magic of editing. With your image selected, look for the Edit button at the top of the workspace. This is where the real fun begins. You'll see a menu of options, and you'll want to choose Magic Edit. This is a powerful tool that allows you to seamlessly change and blend text into your image. Once in the Magic Edit mode, you'll need to brush over the old text area. Just click and drag the brush tool over the text you wish to replace. The brush size can be adjusted based on how large the text area is. Don't worry about being too precise, just cover the existing text to ensure a clean and smooth replacement. After covering the text, you'll be prompted to enter your desired text. This is the time to get creative. Whether you're adding a personal message, a striking quote, or essential information, type it in and hit enter. Now for the best part, Canva uses its blending capabilities to integrate your new text seamlessly into the background of your image. This makes it look as if the text was part of the original image all along. Take a moment to admire your work, and feel free to make any adjustments by clicking back on the text to alter font, size, or color to better fit your design. And there you have it, a brand new text update on your image completed in just a few easy steps. With practice, you can become a pro at using Canva's Magic Edit feature, adding a unique and professional touch to your projects. So dive in and unleash your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!